my channel. I kind of wanted to give you guys a vlogging style intro just to give you this perfect glow. Do you see this? Sorry for the background noise. My little brother and my little sister are right next to me, but I just wanted to give you guys this quick intro. I did film this video previously, like weeks ago, before I went away from YouTube. There is something wrong with the video, so I wasn't able to upload it for you guys, but I wanted to re-record it for you guys and re-upload it for you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a flawless foundation look. We usually do this every single day if I'm gonna be out with makeup all day long. So I try to do this quick intro for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and let's get right into this video. Let's go. So the first step is primer, and this step is a must for making your foundation last long. My favorite primer is a Too Faced Hangover primer at the moment. I definitely prefer a primer that is more on the silicone-free than having a primer that is silicone based. I just feel like the primers that are silicone based, it's more slippery on your face, and it just doesn't have like a sticky base that makes the foundation stick on. So I feel like the silicone free primers are just way better to actually make your foundation just like stick on to your face and last longer. Now the next step is very optional, but I like to do this because I do have a lot of breakout marks and just dark circles in general that I would love to have an extra coverage on that. So I go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I use this as a color corrector just because it's more on the orange peachy side, so I love to use this to color correct my dark circles and any dark marks that I have on my face. After this, I go ahead and use my foundation. I love to use my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300, and I also love to use the Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made foundation, and I'm in the shade T30. I love these two foundations separately or combined together, but today I'm just gonna go ahead and use my drugstore foundation, which is the Covergirl foundation. Now, just to brighten your eyes a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wet n Wild PhotoFocus concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Tawny. I love to use this concealer under my eyes just to have a more brightened under eye, and I like to use it also on my chin area and a little bit on my forehead. The next step is also very important in this makeup routine. I love to use my AirSpun loose face powder. A lot of people like to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I personally don't own that, so I stick with my AirSpun's translucent powder. Honestly, I love this AirSpun's translucent powder just because it's drugstore and it doesn't give me any flashback or anything like that, so I love to use this face powder. Before I apply my translucent powder on my face, I like to go in with my beauty blender and kind of smooth out all those creases that has been created. I personally have a lot of creases under my eyes and they're just so noticeable. A tip that I like to do, instead of blending your creases from your inner corner to your outer corner, I like to go from the outer corner to the inner corner just to kind of smooth out those creases a little bit more, and it actually lasts longer for me. You notice them less after you do this step. So I like to do that to prevent a lot of creases under my eyes. Right after I blended all those creases, I'm going to go ahead and use my translucent powder under my eyes. And I'm also going to get some on my Morphe G8 brush. And I'm just going to be packing it on all over my face. After I just packed on and blended all the translucent powder into my face, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Hoola Benefit bronzing powder, and I love to bronze my face with the Morphe Y11. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some of my translucent powder and apply it under where I bronzed my face, and just to make my cheekbones a little bit more carved out and more precise. The next step after bronzing is going to be highlight. Of course, you don't want to go out with a matte look. You always want to look glowy, fresh, and flawless. I love my Anastasia M. Reezy highlight. I definitely have to buy more when it goes back in stock because this highlight is the best I've ever tried. Just gonna go ahead and apply some on the high points of my cheekbone. I love to do a C shape, so I pretty much like to go at the end where my eyeshadow ends and then work it down. Now that we're done with all the powders that we're going to be applying on our face, I love to set all those powders and blend it into my face with the Morphe setting mist. This is the best setting mist I've ever tried, honestly. I tried so many, but this is the one that I will be sticking to because it actually makes the powder melt into your skin. Right after I spray myself with the setting mist, I love to go in with my beauty blender and just packing in the mist into my face just to smooth out everything. So this also works out if you have any peach fuzz all over your face. I honestly don't really shave my my facial hairs, so sometimes when I apply a lot of powder you could straight out see all my hairs, but applying the setting mist onto your face and just blending it in with the beauty blender just smooths out all those peach fuzz and just makes the look more flawless. After I'm done with that, I definitely have to go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and this is a must to make it completely last long. The Morphe setting mist does work to smooth out all the peach fuzz and all the powders that you applied on your face. It makes it look more flawless, but definitely to make the whole look last long, you definitely want to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray to just make everything last long and stay put throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoy these tips and tricks that I have for you guys. Definitely give this a try, and if you do, let me know. Take a picture and send it to me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.